3.5 LSFI 56 and Clean Carfax. Classy pewter gray. Super gas saver. This terrific looking 2008 Chevrolet Malibu is the terrific condition car you have been searching for. This vehicle's interior looks as clean as the day it rolled off the line. It's in absolutely mint condition and still has the new vehicle smell. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2008 Malibu 5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality mechanical. New Car Test Drive said it has the size, room, features and conveniences a family sedan needs. The rear seats are roomy. Fit and finish inside and out are world class. We think the Malibu stands up well to the best in its class.